It is day 4 of Vlogmas, and I wanted to share my Daiso slash Kinokuniya haul. It's just a small one because I couldn't really get everything that I wanted and have to ship it back to Florida. So I just picked up a few things. So I'll let you know what's from which store, Daiso or Kinokuniya. But if you're not familiar with Daiso, it's the Japanese dollar store. They have them all over California. I'm not sure what other states they have them in, but I know they don't have them here in Florida. So I'm always like so sad. But I was glad that I was able to go back to the Bay Area and visit Daiso. And then also, Kinokuniya is a Japanese bookstore. I believe they do have online option, but I always like going to the bookstore. And so since we were in Japantown this past weekend, I was able to go and get some stuff. So here we go. First, I guess I should start with the food items. These are sparkling beverages. Obviously, this is apple, and then this is orange. And then I bought another beverage, which I drank way before getting on the plane. So I will pop a picture in to let you guys see what that is. But it's like a grape soda, and I always love it. I used to get it all the time in California, but here I have not. I probably could find out how to order it online and have it shipped here, but you know. So then the other thing I did get was some ginger candies, which I like to put these in my tea. And I also put fresh ginger in my tea as well sometimes. So that's that. And I think that's all the food stuff that I got because I did get some high chews, but I ate all of those. And those you can get in other places. So, but I ate all of those like over the span of a day. Next, I got some craft scissors from Daiso because I was trying to do some crafting on the go and I had left my scissors. So there's that. Then I have two cute little tapes here. Not washi tapes, but there are like decorative tape. And so I'm going to use these both for my creative journaling. And I may do a plan with me as a part of Vlogmas. Then I decided, okay, to try some of these fluorescent markers. They are in like a nice color scheme. So I thought I would try and see how these works. I usually like a broader, bolder, thicker nib, if you will. But I believe I read on these, and these are like, 4 millimeters. I usually like 7 and up, but we will see. Oh, this is 4. Oh, no. This might work perfectly. I was reading this wrong. I was thinking it said 0.4. It's 4 points. So that's probably going to work really good for me. So I'm going to test those out. And then I think they just dropped these into our bags. I'm not sure what these are, but I found those in my bag. And then I got this set of sticker sheets. They're 8 sheets. And I got this from Daiso. So I'm excited. And I love the color scheme. You guys know that I'm really into like pinks and stuff like that. But I'm also into some of like the muted, more neutral tones. And that's what this is giving for me. And then my friend picked this out for me while we were shopping because I need to get back onto doing my nails. And so this is from Daiso as well. And then this is a pretty little rubber stamp set that I cannot wait to try out. This is from Daiso, and it's just basically stationery, which you guys know I'm obsessed with. And then this sticker set I got from Kinokuniya, and it is just so pretty. It's like just artwork, like random art, and I'll probably do some layering with words and stuff in my journal with this, so I can't wait to do that. These two things, this one you can barely see because I put it back in backwards. I actually was using these over my little vacation / work trip because I was working on a Christmas card swap and I wanted to use some of these. So I got both of these from Daiso, and they're basically just Christmas themed stickers. And there's 40 pieces in each set, so they're really cute. Oh, here, this will tell you what these look like here. And then this is what these, I might even put them in the wrong thing, but either way, they are nice and look cute. And everything at Daiso is like $1.50. I think they went up to $1.75. As a matter of fact, it used to be $1.50, but it's basically just like the dollar store. So then I got some Christmas double-sided Chiyogomi paper. And I've used some of this because I was, like I said, I was crafting over the weekend. And then this one is the semi-transparent Chiyogomi paper. And I haven't used this set yet, but I can't wait. I'm going to probably use the rest of this in my December daily. And these came from Daiso as well. And then there was another store in Japantown. I can't remember the name of the store. Oh, wait, it was MaiDo. Duh. So there was a store called MaiDo in Japantown as well. And that's where I got these postcards that I'm going to use for journaling. So cupcakes. You guys know my dog's name is Cupcake. So I love to, when I see cupcakes, I like to get them. These flowers are so pretty. These were all $1.50. So not terribly priced. And then I left my heart in San Francisco because I missed the Bay Area so much. So I had to get that. And I'm going to put that in my scrapbook or, one of my journals. So using that. And then, of course, I keep everything. So I'll probably scrapbook that as well. And then these last two, just kidding. Not last two items. But these items here are from Kinokuniya. And if you're not familiar with Kinokuniya, I'm sorry, they're from MaiDo. Why do I keep saying that? I haven't even gotten to the Kinokuniya stuff yet. So these are from MaiDo, which is a Japanese stationery store. And I loved this. And inside, it's that baby soft pink dot grid. So it's really pretty. And it's not too thick, so you can finish this really quickly if you're into starting and finishing your notebooks. But this is just really pretty. And it's A5 size, which I usually go for. That's the size I like. And then I had one of these years ago, and it's probably still around the house. And I started to write in it, but I didn't realize it was made of like rice paper. And so I was using just a regular pen on it, and that kind of like messed the look up. And I've always wanted to replace it. So when I went back, there was one of these left. And it's basically like the traditional style binding. This would be the front. And of course, if I open this up, you would go from there to there. So I am grateful that I get to replace this. It was like sitting there for me waiting. And then this book I got from Kinokuniya, which is the bookstore. And my friend is into, is it manga? And, for support, I just wanted to find one that I might like and read it and just see what it's about. So she picked this one out for me, and I haven't started it yet. I thought I was going to start it on the plane, but I can't wait because it seems like it would be something that I would be into. So, yeah, so that is my Kinokuniya book. And then these two are from MaiDo. This is actually from MaiDo too. And then everything else that I got was from Daiso Japan, which is the Japanese dollar store. So I will show you guys later how I use some of these things in my journal. And of course, I can't show you, but I will be drinking those. And let me show you how I make my tea with the candy. But that is all for day 4 Vlogmas. I cannot wait to see you on day 5. Bye. Love you.